Welcome. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable restricted mode on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. As long as you have the normal TikTok, not the TikTok Lite, okay? And now, so let's get started. So first, you want to open your TikTok app. Go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on these three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you've done that, you want to scroll down until you see the Content Preferences options. Okay, so just go ahead and click that. And here you can see the Restricted Mode option. So as you can see, the Restricted Mode option now is off, so just go ahead and click on that, and here you want to turn on, and here you need to set a passcode to turn on restricted mode. Now you need to confirm your passcode, and now your restricted mode is now on. So you want to turn that off, just go ahead and click turn off. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.